second take. This is a modified palm grip. The right handle is placed against the base of the second digit. The thumb and second digit manipulate the left handle, open and close. The third digit and fourth digit are along the right handle's groove for stabilization. To lock, force the instrument together. To unlock, manipulate the thumb to the right handle, and the second digit applies a lateral oblique force and unlocks the instrument. Open and close, lock, thumb rotates to the right handle. The index finger, second digit, applies a lateral oblique force towards the thumb, and the instrument unlocks.